An airplane flies 150 kilometers on a bearing of 30 degrees and then 200 on a bearing of 80. So let's start drawing the diagram here. We have our airplane that starts here. Call it point A. And on a bearing of 30 degrees means it flies up here where this angle is 30 degrees for 150 kilometers. It gets to a point and then it starts traveling on a bearing of 80 degrees. So now we travel at 80 degrees, which is something more like this, where that angle there is 80 degrees for 200 kilometers. We call that point B. We call this point C. And we're being asked how far is the airplane from its starting point. So what we actually want to calculate is this distance here from A to C. We have two lengths. We need an angle to be able to do some trigonometry here. If this is 30 degrees, then this angle here, because they're parallel lines, they have to add up to 180. So it is 150, which means this angle here is 360, take away 150, take away 80, is 130 degrees. We now have two lengths and the angle between them, so we can use the cosine rule. So if we call this x, x squared is going to be equal to 150 squared plus 200 squared minus 2 times 150 times 200 times cos of 130 degrees. When we put that into our calculator and take the square root, we get that x is equal to 317.91, which is 318 kilometers to three significant figures.